is Lutfia. I'm a college student of the State Polytechnic of Banjarmasin. My majority is Informatic Engineering and I'm on second semester right now. In this opportunity, I'd like to share you about how to make ERD in a Power Designer. Do you know what Power Designer is? Power Designer is one of the tools that can be used to build or design a database through ERD diagram and be able to create application program. And now I'm going to show you how to make ERD in a Power Designer. Firstly, open the Power Designer application and wait until it's open. After it's open, select the Create Model. And after that, select the Conceptual Data Model and Conceptual Diagram and change name. And click OK. On the right side of the screen, there is a toolbox which contains various tools for making ERD. Firstly, create an entity. Select an entity that is in Toolbox and click on the screen to display the entity. If you want to return the cursor as usual, select the pointer in the Toolbox, and after that, change the entity data by double-clicking on the entity. Change the name and fill in the attribute as an example that I have filled out. And after that, click OK. After creating the entity, make the relationship by clicking on the relationship in the toolbox. After that, connect the entity. Double-click on the relationship 1 and change the name of the relationship. For example, mengambil. The cardinalities, you can change it to one-on-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, or many-to-many. And click OK. After the ERD is finished, save it by clicking File and save. And change the name. And click Save. And the result as follows. This method is easier to follow, but don't just stick to the Power Design application. Many other applications such as Microsoft Access, try to learn it so that all applications can be utilized optimally. So, thank you for watching this video.